law enforcement in California, I used to hear cases about police abuse of suspects, and maybe the story would get twisted somehow, and, well, you can't really trust what the criminal is saying because, after all, that person's a criminal, and even though they may show up in court with black eyes or broken noses, well, maybe there was a struggle somehow and the police were justified in doing what they did. Okay? I have handled a number of cases since leaving law enforcement that tell me that people sometimes are truly abused by law enforcement personnel. You have to remember that people who work in law enforcement are just people, and sometimes they lose their temper. And when they do, and if they go to a place where they're using unreasonable force, and that's the term, unreasonable force, and they hurt somebody who's in custody, or they fail to provide needed medical care to somebody who's in custody, those officers and their supervisors can be held liable civilly for what happened. I've had cases where people have died in jail as a result of medical neglect. I've had cases where people who were handcuffed were brutally and savagely beaten, where bones in their face were completely broken up, and they had to have surgical repairs to reconstruct their faces. Things like that do occur. And while they don't occur that often, when they do, the police need to know that someone is going to stand up and say, stop doing that. It's not right. You're in charge of this person. You have to take care of them. They are in your care and custody. Do it right, or we'll be on you.